I will actually take it now. I will take it for showcasing purposes. Would not take that with my live account. And a good 7 win. Well, let's see what happens. Yeah, stop has to be below here, actually. And let's see where we have. We can see the midpoint of this new week opening gap, but ideally I would like to see this old daily low here to be reached to, and it's also old high here. Let's see. We're in the last hour macro, so if it runs, it should run in the next minutes. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's not the ideal trade. We are already in a premium. We are way above the opening prices. We are above the opening range gap, so we are in a premium already. We have immediate rebalance here on the 15-minute chart. We had retrade to this order block wick here, and we have traded into this 5-minute order block here, and we should not come back. We should not close below the midpoint in here, in my opinion. And we could see we had a retracement after touching this old new week opening gap, and we should, in my opinion, expand higher and at least do an attempt to go to the mean threshold of this new week opening gap. And let's measure that exactly. Let's not guess here. Let's make it serious. All right. It's about, the midpoint is about 558.75. It's not exactly, let's do it exactly. The midpoint is like 5585.75. And once we reach the midpoint, I will put the stop to break even. I don't want to lose on this trade. If I would have a partial on, I would have taken a partial here after taking out this high. So I would have taken a partial yet. And I will actually reduce the risk now to here. It should not come back down here if I'm right. So midpoint is reached. Midpoint is reached, and I will put the stop to almost break even now. Or I will actually put it to break even. Plus one tick. It can go back down and stop me out, but then it's okay. My first target was reached here. It was a nice little long trade here, and we have reached the midpoint of this new week opening gap. So I don't want to risk that it comes back down. I think we could still go to this old daily low, so that would be a deal. That's what I would like to see. I think that's not unlikely. However, it can, after reaching the midpoint, it could come back to the premium low here and stop me out, and I don't want to take a loss on this trade. So now I'm comfortable. I have locked in a very, very, very small profit here, and again, it's not a trade I would risk a lot of money or I would do in my personal account. But here, since I'm streaming, I want to show you something. Gotta entertain my audience, right? I hope you are entertained. Or how did Gladiator say it? Are you not entertained? Yeah, it's a nice little scalp, like from the, so it's already 5 handles here. So that's a nice little scalp with these 5 handles. So that can be enough for a trade. And yeah, let's see. I hope it doesn't. I hope it stays here and makes another attempt to go to the old daily high here. If not, my first target was reached. And again, if I would have a partial here, if I would have 2 contracts on here, I would have definitely I would have taken one off already, and I would have banked a partial win here since I have only 1 contract on here. I can't do this, but that's why I moved my stop up, and we can observe this fair value gap here. It should also not. Actually, I will adjust my stop here. Okay, can't do it. It should. Can't touch my stop. Stop -2. We can adjust the stop to here. And so I would have taken another partial here. So if I would have 3 contracts on, I would have taken another partial here. And now I will move up the stop a little bit more aggressively. I don't want it to, we will bank some profit here. I don't want it to come back here. After it took out this high, it should not take out this low, otherwise we have a small market structure shift. So I can, and we're also just at the midpoint of this gap. And now we hit the old daily low. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, nice one. I like it. I like it. So that was a very nice little scalp. I'm very happy. Was, from my opinion, um, was just a 1-1 R. Was just a 1-1 risk to reward trade, but very very nice price action, very nice target, very nice risk management. So I personally am very happy with this trade. I think that was a nice example. Um, and yeah, that's what I want to show you if I stream. Glad with that. And was just 1 contract, so, but still, nice little scalp here, $400, and it was oh nice, 8.5 handles here in the S&P, not bad, almost 10 handles. So that's actually, yeah, and even on a choppy day like this, so even on a hard day like this, having such a nice little execution, really, really happy with that. That's cool. It was not